we have a look back at the provisional rainfall figures for May, we can see it was really quite wet across the country, apart from the extreme northwestern part of Scotland. Well, during the coming week, we're going to have a succession of Atlantic lows, and the first of those is now centred over Ireland, with very strong winds on its southern side, particularly affecting western parts of Britain today. We've also seen some heavy rain over Northern Ireland and Scotland, with some heavier showers over more western areas during this morning. Those showers will make their way eastwards into many eastern parts of England, some heavy showers around, but perhaps those showers becoming a little bit lighter in southwestern parts of England and Wales during this afternoon, but staying wet over Northern Ireland and Scotland, although Shetland may have a dry day. Temperatures nothing to write home about, around 12 to 16, but warmest in the eastern part of England there, around 17 degrees. Those winds really quite strong in many western areas, up to gale force up through the Irish Sea. And during tonight, we'll see the rain becoming confined to western coasts, but still wet over many parts of Northern Ireland and western and northern Scotland. Temperatures around 9 to 10 degrees. Tomorrow, that area of low pressure pushing up into the northern part of the North Sea. A small ridge of high pressure coming across for the morning, but then the next frontal system speeding up from the southwest later in the day. Many southern areas starting off dry and bright with some sunshine, but some showers over Wales with further rain up through Northern Ireland and parts of Scotland. But those outbreaks of rain starting to push into many western areas later in the day, but perhaps remaining dry and fairly bright in many central and eastern parts of England. There's some further showers for Scotland and quite a cool day in a strong southwest wind. In fact, that wind up to around 25 miles an hour in many western and central areas. On Tuesday, the area of low pressure still out to western parts of Ireland, a frontal system up through many western areas at midday, that clearing eastwards during the latter part of the day. So starting off really cloudy and wet in many western and northern areas, that rain then pushing away eastwards quite quickly in the afternoon, leaving sunshine and showers over much of the country, although dry in the extreme east there for much of the day. Some of those showers turning out to be quite heavy and thundery, particularly in northern and western areas. The area of low pressure is still around on Wednesday, tight isobars indicating very strong southwesterly winds, so further showers. Some of those really quite heavy and thundery, particularly over Wales, parts of Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Showers too through central areas, but perhaps dry and bright in the extreme east, with temperatures 14 to 18 degrees. On Thursday, we have another area of low pressure coming up from the southwest, bringing a lot of rain into the southwest and Wales during the early part of the day. Starting off dry and bright in the east, but that rain then pushing eastwards. And then we'll have another front coming in from the west on Friday. But it looks as though it might be dry and bright and fairly warm in the southeast, with temperatures up into the low 20s. Rather more showery up through western and northern areas. And this is how the summary